Hello and welcome back to the latest of the series of the robots that I've built with Dalek, Doris and the droids. Here's our latest addition to the family. This is obviously recognised from the Star Wars films. This is BB8. This one, unlike the rest of these, does not move around. He is actually a static droid, but there's good representation of what the droid looks like from the Star Wars movie. Quite an unusual head on this one. In this case we've got casters with a motor system that allows the head to actually rotate on the body, and it has the usual sort of sound effects that people will be able to hear as it goes quite close to it. The dome is quite unique in the respect that it's actually 3D printed. This is one of the first things that we've used as far as the technology is concerned, and it's worked out incredibly well. It's built into different sections. The whole lot has been glued together, and it's been actually seamed so that you can't actually tell that it's been made in different parts. Obviously the BB8 colours of the bright orange, and this one has been also been given a bit of battle damage to make it look as if it's been through some really hard times out in the desert. The idea of this one is to make it a little bit more interactive so that he can stay as a static in the exhibitions. The intention is not to have this as a rolling robot, purely because of the time and effort, etc., that goes into running just one of these robots. Incredibly labour intensive, with all the gimbals and the motor drives within the inside of the robot. The body, very strong. It is actually a fiberglass sphere. It does split into two, so we can get to the inside and produce electronics and put electronics inside it. But in this case we do have screen transfers on the outside of the robot to give it its authentication. So there's the two from our Star Wars films. Hope you like it. This one hasn't been signed yet, but I'm sure at some stage he'll be taking part in some of the Star Wars Comic Cons, and I'm sure we'll end up meeting some of the artists involved with it.